Meaning of HR.
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 HR. HR refers to the term human resources, which is a department in organizations responsible for managing employee-related matters, such as recruitment, payroll, benefits, and training. The HR function typically serves as a bridge between employees and management, ensuring that company policies and procedures are followed while meeting the needs of staff. A well-functioning HR department can lead to increased employee engagement, productivity, and retention, ultimately contributing to the success of the organization. However, poor HR practices can result in legal and ethical issues, high turnover rates, and a negative impact on company culture and reputation.